Most people get this wrong when choosing a business address or workspace. They think all virtual office providers are the same, but that mistake can cost them LLC approvals, bank account delays, or even rejected payment gateways. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the difference between a real office provider and a basic mailbox service can decide how legitimate your business looks to banks and governments. In this video, we're comparing Regus, WeWork, and iPostal1, so you know exactly which one to choose for your LLC or business setup. Let's start simple. First, Regus. Regus is one of the oldest and most widely accepted virtual office providers in the world. It offers real business addresses, office access, and sometimes meeting rooms. For someone like Alex forming an LLC, Regus can be powerful because banks and institutions recognize it as a legitimate commercial office footprint. But here's the problem. Regus is often expensive, and pricing varies a lot depending on location. Some premium cities can cost significantly more just for an address. Now let's talk about WeWork. WeWork is more modern and flexible. It focuses on co-working spaces, but also offers virtual office services in many locations. For entrepreneurs like John, who want both a professional address and the option to physically work or meet clients, WeWork can be a strong middle ground. Now here's where it gets interesting. WeWork addresses often carry strong credibility, especially in startup ecosystems. But availability for official LLC registration or bank acceptance can vary by country and specific location rules. Now let's look at iPostal1. iPostal1 is different. It is a digital mailbox service, not a full office provider. It gives you a real street address and mail handling through an app. It is great for privacy and remote businesses, but it does not provide physical office presence. So if you are applying for bank accounts or high-trust financial services, this is where people run into problems. Some banks accept it, others reject it because it lacks physical office substance. So which one should you choose? If you want maximum credibility and no banking issues, Regus is usually the strongest option. If you want flexibility and startup-friendly access, WeWork is a solid balance. If you only need a low-cost mailing address and privacy, iPostal1 works fine on the. But here's the key takeaway. Your choice should depend on your business goal, not just price. If your goal is banking and compliance, prioritize substance. If your goal is privacy and basic operations, prioritize convenience. To wrap it up, Regus is the most accepted, WeWork is the most flexible, and iPostal1 is the most lightweight option in 2026. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, leave a comment with your setup, and subscribe for more clear business breakdowns like this.